Think you have to compromise with the pellet grill to get a true sear on your food? Think again. Introducing the industry's only grill that has a dedicated direct flame mode designed to put real wood-powered fire onto your food. Think flavor, think char, think wood fire. No other grill on the market can infuse your food with these elements like a Memphis Wood Fire Grill. With temperatures ranging from a low smoke mode of 180 degrees for that perfect smoke ring, all the way up to 1000 degrees for that masterful sear and our exclusive extreme flame mode, and everything in between. Only a Memphis grill can deliver the versatility to cook any food your family or friends desire. With 3 levels of direct flame grilling, select low to roast vegetables to perfection, or medium for the perfect char on shrimp or chicken wings. And for that wow, that's amazing experience, Memphis offers the extreme mode for a sear on your meats that will deliver mouth-watering results and leave family and friends in awe of your expertise. At the push of a button, you can do it all. Smoke, sear, braise, roast, grill. And thanks to an unmatched convection cooking ability, even bake. With our patented IntelliBurn technology, you will become a true grilling master. Compromise elsewhere. Unleash your inner grilling expert with the only grill that truly delivers it all, a Memphis Wood Fire Grill.